Girl, you're gonna love this hair. This hair is absolutely mesmerizing. It has become one of my go-to protective styles because it is quick to install, beginner friendly, and it can last up to a month with proper care. And the best part is how versatile it is. You can wear it in a high bun, a sleek ponytail, a side part, and updo with bangs, or simply wear it down. No matter how you style it, this hair gives you options, and I absolutely love it. Hi lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. It's me again, Momandprettyimisi, and in today's video we are making another miracle knot crochet. For today's hairstyle, I'll be using crochet from Ayan Hair. The hair comes beautifully packaged in a lovely pink storage bag, and it includes 5 individual packs, which are more than enough to achieve a full beautiful hairstyle. Each bundle is individually packaged, making it neat and easy to use. One feature I really appreciate is that the hair comes pre-separated, so you don't have to spend time pulling the strands apart. Simply remove the protective covering and it is ready to install. The package comes with a crochet hook, hair clips, and styling combs. The texture of this hair is incredibly soft, lightweight, and beautiful. It has a gorgeous loose body wave pattern that gives it a natural, effortless look. Now let's get started. The first step for any crochet hairstyle is creating a clean and secure foundation, and that is exactly what we are doing next. So this is my natural hair, and today I'll be following a neat braiding pattern that creates a flawless base for the crochet installation. If you have a thick natural hair like me, you will know that sectioning takes patience. It is definitely not for the weak, but taking your time during this stage makes a huge difference in how neat and long-lasting your final hairstyle would be. I'm carefully creating each section because I want the foundation to be as neat as possible. This is the pattern we'll be following, and we are going to maintain it all the way to the top. I am applying a little styling gel to smooth one of the front sections before braiding. Pay attention to how I am using my fingers to gently braid the hair. I am taking my time, especially around the front, because I want everything to be neat and secure. A clean front braid means less styling later and gives the finished hairstyle a much more natural look. We'll continue to follow the same pattern until we finish the entire hair. Honestly, this miracle knot crochet hairstyle is one of the easiest and fastest hairstyles I've started doing recently because it saves so much time. Once your natural hair is braided, you're basically halfway done. Like I always say, the most stressful part is braiding your natural hair. Once that is out of the way, everything else is easy. We are almost at the front now, and as I mentioned earlier, I'm taking my time to make sure every section is clean because the foundation is everything when it comes to miracle crochet hairstyle. We are finally at the front. I divided the last section into 2 equal parts just to make sure everything looks balanced and evenly distributed. Then I'm going to be simply repeating the same braiding pattern on the other side, and just like that, we are done with the first stage. Look at how neat and evenly distributed the braids are. Honestly, they came out so beautifully that I almost feel like rocking my natural hair just like that. Now it's time to install the crochet hair. Starting from the back, just like I usually do, I'm grabbing one crochet strand, looping it through the braid, and braiding it with the tip of my natural hair so that tip doesn't peek out. Next, I'm gonna move a little high on the braid, install another strand, and secure it on both sides. So I'm securing in the middle. Then I place the last strand at the top of the braid and repeat the second step. That's basically it, lovelies. We are going to continue repeating these simple steps throughout the entire hair. Another option is to braid the crochet hair directly into your natural braid instead of looping every strand with a crochet hook. Both methods work perfectly, so whichever technique you are more comfortable with, you go ahead and use it. As you can see, the hair is beginning to fill up very quickly. The hardest part is already behind us, and now we're simply installing the crochet hair one braid at a time. The hair is honestly so beautiful and it is incredibly soft. I've used several crochet hair extensions recently, but this one feels different. The texture is a gorgeous loose body wave and it looks so natural and elegant. As I got closer to the front, I decided to install about 4 crochet strands on each braid because I wanted a fuller look around the crown and hairline. Since the texture is a loose body wave, adding a few extra strands gives it more volume without making it look bulky. So lovely. Look at how full and beautiful the hair is becoming. And so, you know, every time I wear this hair, I receive so many compliments. People stop me everywhere asking who did my hair and how I achieved this look. They're always so surprised when I tell them I installed it by myself. I know many of you watching my videos are interested in learning how to do your own hair at home, and this is definitely one hairstyle I highly recommend. It is beginner friendly, especially if you already know how to braid your own natural hair. If you're still learning, don't worry. With a little practice, you will definitely get the hang of it. At this point, we are getting closer to the finished line. I'm already on the 3rd pack. So 3 packs brought the hair up to the very last one I'm holding here. So this hair is highly economical. So if you're looking at braiding a fuller hair, I think 3.5 might just be enough. But because they don't sell half, you might just want to get 4 packs. So this is the 4th pack here. I just needed that to finish up the remaining 2 or 3 braids, and this is it. We are officially done. Look at this hair. To finish off everything, I simply applied a little styling gel around the edges of my hair to keep them sleek. I didn't even need to use mousse because the hair looks natural on its own. Honestly, I can't overemphasize how gorgeous the hair is. The texture is amazing. It's lightweight, it is soft and incredibly versatile. So you can wear it in an updo with bangs, down in a side style, or create so many beautiful hairstyles. So no matter how you choose to wear it, it is still going to look stunning. I absolutely love how flattery this hairstyle is, and I think it complements almost every face shape. I even had about 1.5 packs left, which I used on my daughter. I've already posted that hairstyle on my TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube shorts, so make sure you go and check those videos out. Alright, lovelies, I've dropped the link of this hair on the video description. Go ahead and grab that link and navigate Eayon website. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to share this video with your friends, families, and loved ones. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if it's your first time of ever coming across my channel. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed. Dream